nothing will be the same. I think it's better off that way.
My name is Malachi Patterson. I'm the Artistic Director of the Music Works. This is the Music Works Bus, which is a mobile recording studio. It's here to provide opportunities for young people who might not otherwise have access to music activity or music provision in their own community. The plan with the Music Bus is to get out into all parts of Gloucestershire and meet young people where they are and help them, give them opportunity and access to all music provision and activities.